Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, JJ. We're here in Belleville. We got a small repair and also remodel project. I want to take you guys into my little girl too. I don't know if you ever seen my other one. This is Mia. So follow me. Electrical and another sheetrock and compound ceiling work. So we're running 3 lights over here, one there,
Got a video show going
one here, one there, and then from the box over there, Frank is doing all this stuff. And then we're putting up sheetrock and flooring.
Let's go.
Time to screw in some screws and sheetrock. Okay, we got some screws in, more to go. More. All right, guys, so where we are right now, we're midway into this repair slash slight little tiny remodel. Get my word with it. You see we got the floors in, majority of this so far, and the ceilings are already touched up with compound, and we still have another coat or so, sand, and then the painting continues. We're still waiting to see if we're going to do the rest of the walls down there. That all depends on the client if they want to continue that.
And just like that, the lighting is done. And this one. And then we're going to frame all the way from here all the way over here. And this wall right here, we're going to do sheetrock and compound exactly like the ceiling up there. Just like that, the lighting is done. Okay, that hurt too bad. I'm sorry. That hurt way too bad.